How many file formats do you have of your logo? Do you have the right file types to get the job done? Do you have just one JPEG file of your logo, or maybe just a PDF? What is the resolution of that logo file? In this video, I am going to show you popular logo file types and how you can use them to work for your business. Hi, my name is Cierra with Cierra Rose Design, a graphic design company that specializes in creating logos and brands for businesses. One of the most important parts of having a logo is its arsenal of file types to efficiently promote your business for years to come. I want to make sure that my clients are cared for and that if they need to use their logo in the future, they have the right file to get the job done. I make sure to send my clients their final logo in a wide variety of file formats that will best suit their needs and specific projects. You probably know some popular file types like JPEG and PDF, but do you know their meaning and importance when it comes to using them? Here are some of my favorite logo file types that I send to my clients. The first logo file I send is a high-resolution JPEG file, which stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. A JPEG file is used to compress larger files down for printing and web use. It is a standard file format for most digital cameras and is compatible across almost all computer platforms, web browsers, and programs. Another good file format to have is a PNG file, which stands for Portable Network Graphics. It is more advanced than a JPEG file and uses alpha channels that allows for transparency, making it able to be put on colored backgrounds without having the white box effect like JPEGs do. PNGs are best used for web images such as graphics that need a transparent background. PNGs also use a lossless compression, which means that it typically has a larger file size than most JPEG files. Standing for Portable Document Format, PDFs are used to open documents that are not dependent on having the right application software, hardware, or operating system. A PDF is mostly used for layouts including text, fonts, graphics, and other information, and are widely used in the printing process. Probably the most important file you should have for your logo is a vector-based file format. One of these formats is an EPS file, known as Encapsulated PostScript. This file is an extension of a graphic file format used in vector-based designs in programs like Adobe Illustrator and others. Another file format similar to an EPS file that a designer might send to you instead is an SVG file, or Scalable Vector Graphics. An SVG file is based on XML format and is more suitable for web, whereas an EPS is the standard for printing. What makes these vector files so important is that they can be enlarged to any size you need without losing its resolution, and it can be edited for future changes to its design. These vector files should be handled mainly by your designer and can be given to them when designing a project for you. There are many file types to choose from, but these are some of the main types I use when sending logos to clients. If you are missing any of the file formats listed, please try to contact your logo's designer for them before it is too late. It may cost you some money, but when it comes to your business, your logo is worth it. Make sure your logo files are available to you, especially in EPS or SVG file format. Keep your logo files safe by having them on a CD, jump drive, and/or on a computer backup somewhere. These files are the life force of your logo and will continue to be used by your business for many years to come.